corners with me. Riddle out every shadow you see. Ring a bell, shake a cross, give 'em hell, whatever the cost. Summon all of your revelry. Say a word against the indecency. You're alright, not alone. Keep up the fight, safe in your home. Whistle your loudest song.
Throughout Route 66, there are various alignments to choose from, based on updates and changes made over the years. In New Mexico, we chose the scenic route and took an alignment north through Santa Fe.
Paint all your tigers gold, and your lion heart sleeps tonight. Every ride, every carousel stops. In the end, end it all without knobs. Breathing deep, thank the Lord.
Day 6 of our trip, and more rain. We left Santa Fe this morning and had a beautiful drive down towards Albuquerque, and then west of there it was absolutely gorgeous to drive through. And then the storm rolled in and it was raining, and it rained so hard, and of course it stopped raining as soon as we got here for lunch. So we're in Grants, New Mexico right now, and we're at the Wow Diner, and we're gonna have some New Mexican style food, I think, and hopefully it'll be really good, and then hopefully it totally clears up and isn't gonna rain on us anymore, because that would be really nice. This is day, I think, 7 of our trip, and we're just leaving Winslow, Arizona, and we spent last night in this amazing hotel, it's La Posada, and it is super historic. It's the last of the Harvey houses, and it had this whole list of amazing historical people who had stayed there, including Amelia Earhart, and that was who our room was, and that was just like the coolest thing ever. So today we're hitting the road again, and I'm really excited because we're driving a part of Route 66 that's nicknamed Bloody Route 66, because it's got a whole bunch of switchbacks and going up a mountainside, and I think that's going to be really cool.
This is what we wanted for so long.
So we're driving through Arizona right now, and we realized we'd be driving right past this super awesome giant meteor crater. So we stopped to check it out, and it's really awesome and it's really hot. And we decided to try and put the drone up, which we did, but apparently we weren't supposed to, so we got in trouble.
There are matters shattering our hearts. If we can outrun them, we should go. Let's the art. We will find new words to aim the throw. We will write them hidden in our clothes. We'll shape and take control. I don't coast with no wind. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not same, and I'm not left behind. And I'm not praying to be kept in mind. So glad I know. So glad I'm alone. I was dreaming of some place. Woke myself up just in case.
This is the Oatman Highway, a 42-mile stretch headed southwest from Kingman, Arizona. It winds its way through the Black Mountains, reaching a height of 3,550 feet at Sitgreaves Pass before eventually you reach the town of Oatman, an odd mix of historic gold rush town and current tourist attraction.
I'm not sane, I say it to your smile. Kiss on face, easy for a while. So glad I know. So glad I'm alone.
It's day 8 of our trip, and we're in Vegas.
Vegas, and it is hot.
Oh my God, it's hot.
105.
No, more than that. It's technically not on Route 66, but we figured in this car on the West Coast, we should go to Vegas.
The time is always right to open up your eyes and be the flickering flame. We can light the corners, shine through all the borders. Deep down we are the same. But no, don't worry, darling. They won't stop staring, but soon they'll be caring. Oh, the world is changing, and all I'm saying is we gotta believe. I'm a drop of water, but you know together we're the ocean deep.
Oh, very, very, very hot. I can't believe this.
It,
live here.
oh, it's been so hot. It's like 108 today, I think.